Odofo mema kwaba edeba Adom TV jumedi atune dini empo se Nkuranhyensem eso mi amtidwa mu amedi jumedi ho chiame edin amgeso ene ni tekotego na megidi se wo ho ye ene ekọ na wotwe nyina nsem ampese me no susu ho no matune dini wise words of inspiration ensem wa sebe enam nyansa akwa so a ehyenkuran ana me de brawe de di kano meka ne potoka semu na ma kire omu akanka semu na nkrampo kasemu. There are two greatest tragedies in life. There are two tragedies. Enema bi wo a ewo nipa brabo mu a echense nipa na wuo. Enema mienu we se obrabo mu a te se de oye tiase wuo no. Sa enema mienu we na ene de wo. First one is your ignorance of your true identity, self-worth, intrinsic values and capabilities. The can say unim ni power yo. Men can say yo ba bemba nkrani anampo akani anafi fragmentum. That's not your identity. Anaya ganani there be. I'm talking about ignorance of your true identity, who you are, and ignorance of your self-worth, how you are worth. One will say, so ufa watch here, bomiya, unim nebo. Let's say shemia, unim nebo. And Pabo shemina tereshemi, unim nebo. But what does it mean, unim nebo? Do you know how much you are worth? If you don't even know how much you are worth, you don't carry yourself as worthy. And until your yaw, and a tear say, wasam, say, one nama, unim said, I was so buffer. Those will be ignorance of your value, intrinsic value. Nyoma ehuhia a ti mu a esombo. If you're not aware of nyoma esombo a ekura wo eba ne sunsum famu hunamu ne adwene mu ene nyansam a ya na echense otiase wawuo. Enti nyoma me nsam abro so yi se wonim oya a woyo. Se wonim se da wo sombo fa. Se wonim nyoma eti wo mu hunam famu. Eti onim umusunsun famu enimpo okra ne mu abeti da adwuma unim sa nyoma we nyina no echenti asewuo de toso mienu eye wo ya wo aniwa awani emfra ya septa frache nanso wonni anishade hunu emo abrabo. If you have eyes but you don't have vision, your life is worse. Bebre ne nem ya ase wo bubra abrabo wabono woni anishade hunu, there's no vision. They don't have plans. Woni hihye bia wona abrabo di akire eno ansa na pasore yanko yemro. A person without vision, a person without plan, a person without a target in his life is worse off somebody who is dead. What you say na empo woni anishade hunu bia ma abrabo wawade said that will bu abrabo afa. Said I will show this afa. If you don't have a vision for your life, also you have not planned, said I will show abrabo akosie. Kwa befa so show awade akosie. How you are going to plan your health? So we need now we need target outcomes. Abrabo boy na wie ye ne be saying. You say we change as your wo. It is therefore important for us to become aware of our self-worth. That's a transcendent adwene ya ho bi say me my brabo esombo say. How can I improve my self-worth? Number 2, empo enyoma timi mu a onyankopon de adua me so no kwambe so na mefa so adenadie. How am I going to assess my value and increase my capability to live a life that is extraordinary and excellent? Now, do I even have a vision for my life? When I do am my brabo. And now I'm sorry, what is my vision for the day? What is my vision for the week? What's my vision for the month? And what's my vision for the year? And then that's who and I'm actually am my brabo. Now what she busumwe any affair that many. Once you have a vision, you have to set a plan. In share me first na me drew me vision no amana be mu amame. Planning is the key to greatness. So once you show abraba, oba ko di obi a wa hye na abraba achi. Da bia obetwa duasu. as human beings, you need to plan where you are going, what you want to become, and how you want to become. And so we are share efa nioma o pese wo ye baby a pese wo duro any kwan ya betia fa so aduru ho. You say when your target no so you have a target for your life. Afese ne efie num se ne efie mienu se ne na twa se ne aha na me de mabra bo aduru wo hu me honam a say na me de be ye wo hu ma adwene mu a say na me nyansa ebedore akoduro say o fa matenka afese ne matenka me de na die ne be ye we you must set a target. Na o achieve a abo ho abaso ye bebre ne ebu bra keke ye ware keke ye say ye tete nkwada say vision nim ono yire hira ye munya vision awade na mo ware no de ne mo ndaso hunu. What is the vision for your marriage? Nya papa ye nya mama ye nya o hwe na movie mu debi. You must have a defined vision for your relationships. You must have a defined vision for your educational programs. And you must also have a defined vision for your health. My pomod ni say na pese echo. E de na muntuo e na metua my pomodin be wie peyo. E ne ma be na mejayo me jayo e be bo my pomod ni. And sembe na meka en de na menka e be bo me nkita hodie. Empo menya me som ene me ni ankrankra eni ye no e de na e wo meni so pese me hunu. How do I want to be termed and called? E de na pese e de bo my bodni. When you have all these indicators, you have to pursue them each day as you rise up in the morning and mark yourself if you reach a point that you've achieved an outcome. Life depends on the results you create. Your life is linked to the results you are creating. If you're not creating results, it means you haven't set a vision. You don't have a plan. You don't even have a strategy. It doesn't take money to create a vision. And yes, sika and I'd best share when you do. We are brandy, or Baba, where we school, Minya Jumanya, and on your vision. Abama Jumanya, and on your vision. You must create a vision that in the next 1 year and 2 years, Hannah made my brother be drew. Hannah made me kita who be drew. And I made my warrior be drew. Because our Edney, in this warrior, if you have a vision for your marriage and focus on it, and plan to achieve it, definitely you arrive. Abrabo ayebo bi anyone in sesu na che dare. Na woni a ayebi ahwebie no, woni nipa awoyo. Na wona abrabo esombo, na woda ade esombo adi akira nkorankore, na wonu ndaso hunu ede ma abrabo, na won hyehyeye, empo wode akwan so efa kwampa so nyansa akwan so, enya dia wope. Na me nhira. Onyame kan ho. Dia me di gya wo ne se onipa otiasha wo ni vision wo chen de wawuo. Onipa otiasha wo nim se de awote no wo chen de wawuo. If you are alive and you don't have a self identity, you are worse than somebody who is dead. So otiasha na wo ni planner wo chen de wawuo. Me se na de wa sori atra ho. Obefa vision. Obefa de sombo ama wo na wo de wonsa ne wonan nyina di akire. Onyame enka ho no no ntena. Me da Adom TV adwumayefo a wo bo ma chi do ma me dwumadi ebre wo. Woni onyame entina